As most of you know from watching our YouTube videos, that Wendy and I are exotic plant growers here in the Southern Gulf Islands of British Columbia. Somebody commented the other day and said, well, you should only be growing native plants. Well, we have a large piece of property here. We're surrounded by native vegetation. You see that? It's all native vegetation. I'm going to show you the native area, the native vegetation area of our upper garden. So this is native vegetation, okay? There's huckleberries. Those are native. There's salal, that's evergreen. There's lots of moss in here. More huckleberries. Huckleberries are everywhere. You got some ferns coming up in there. And there's a ground cover in here as well that's called twin flower. There's this one here is native Saskatoon berry. And we also have native flowering currant right there. There's ribes. Western red cedars, native arbutus. And I'll show you what the twin flower looks like. To me, it's not spectacular, okay? Native plants are nice, but they're not spectacular. They're actually quite boring to me. They're great in a natural environment, like in the wild, but for putting on a showpiece garden, you're probably not going to plant salal and huckleberries. Here's twin flower. That's an evergreen, low-growing vine that gets little pink bell flowers on it. And that's about it, folks. There's Mahonia. So there's Oregon grape in here. And what more can I say? That is our native garden. Good thing about it, it's very drought tolerant. You never have to water any of these plants. But they don't give you the wow factor as palm trees and some of the other broadleaf evergreens. We do most of the vegetation here on Salt Spring is evergreen. So looking across the street, you can see native madrona. There's Pacific madrona, which is arbutus. And fir trees, lots of dying cedars because of the drought in the summer. And all around us is native vegetation. So that's what our native area of our exotic garden looks like. All right, thanks for watching.